Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Whilst it's easy to overthink and get lost in all the different tool options, we're here to help you find the top smart garage door openers. These are designed to make your life easier and convenient as they are compatible with most garage door openers on the market, but with smart technology. Your garage door is monitored and controlled either by the touch of a button on your smartphone or by speaking to Alexa, Siri or Google, so wherever you are, you know the contents of your garage are safe and secure. We ranked smart garage door openers on a number of different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. You can find the list of products in the description down below. Why not stick around to the end to see who hits the number one spot in our review. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. The smart garage door opener coming in at number 5 is the Lomota smart garage door opener. This smart door opener means you receive timely real-life notifications anywhere you are with internet access, so you no longer have to worry if your garage door is closed. All you need to do is set automatic switches with the multi-condition automation for timing, etc. Plus the opener has a voice control that works with Alexa and Google Assistant. The Lomota smart garage door opener has schedule and timer functions that means you can easily set your schedules using the free app on your smartphone or tablet. Number 4 on our list is the Nexx NXG300 smart garage door opener. By tapping the app on your phone, smartwatch or by speaking to Alexa, Google or Siri, you have control and peace of mind so you can have simple hands-free control of the door functions. Smart products allow for an open-close schedule so you can go anywhere and be in total control. Interestingly, you can also check the history of the door opening and closing. The Nexx smart garage door controller NXG300 allows you to quickly and easily receive notifications and reminders so you can know who is coming and going in your garage. Plus you can securely share access with your children, family and friends. The smart garage door opener coming in at number 3 is the Refoss smart Wi-Fi door opener. This door opener does not require a hub but is reliable and compatible with iOS, Android smartphones or voice control working with Google and Alexa. It provides remote control and up-to-date door status from anywhere at any time with multiple notification or alert modes keeping your garage and its contents safe. The Refoss smart Wi-Fi garage door opener is easy to install and provides you with a historical record of all opening and closing actions. Number 2 is the Meros smart Wi-Fi garage door opener. This door opener has auto close and advanced settings so your door will automatically close if it's been open for some time or at your request. It uses one app for your home, or you can speak to Google or Alexa and it will open or close the door. Plus the app controls many other smart devices in your home. The Meros smart garage door opener is stable and precise with multiple notification modes which allows you to stay alert and in control and informed during the day or night wherever you are. Finally, coming in at number 1, the smart garage door opener that we recommend is the Mycube Chamberlin smart garage control. With a smart garage, you never need to wonder if you have left the garage door open again, as you can control it from anywhere with the Mycube app on your smartphone. It also allows you to share access so you can securely invite up to 3 people to control the devices with Mycube guest settings. The Mycube Chamberlain smart garage control allows for schedules and notifications using a wireless garage hub, plus you can enable a convenient Amazon key in carriage delivery using the app. So that's it, the top 5 smart garage door openers that got our team at Hundreds of Tools excited. If you have any helpful security tips, do drop it in the comment section below. If you thought this video was useful, give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into the overwhelming world of tools. We look forward to seeing you and your projects again soon. Good luck.